Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing two different types of Easter signs, and one could even be for spring. I'm actually gonna leave this up for quite a while because I'm absolutely in love with one of them so much. I'm gonna be making two different signs for Easter, like I said, and it only cost me 98 cents. So yeah, under $1. Well, okay, so like what, $1.04, $1.05 with, yeah, $1.04 with our tax. So okay, $1.04 for two super cute signs. So I'm gonna do it now. So these are gonna be the easiest signs you could possibly make. I picked up these window clings at Walmart for 98 cents. And I'm gonna be using these for two different signs. I had a bunch of scrap wood laying around in my garage, so I thought I would try and use some of it up. I'm gonna paint one of the signs with this white chalk paint, and then this wax by Waverly is in the antique, and I do water that down with some water, obviously, and I'll mix it together, which makes a really nice stain.
I never understood a word they said. Kept running in the woods alone instead. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Try to keep it up and standing tall. Why don't you stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay.
I also picked up some of this jute cord. This is from Walmart, so I always use twine in lots of my signs, and I absolutely love the way it turns out and looks. But I took the window cling and I just laid it on the sign to see how I wanted it, and then I realized that I did want to use the twine first, so I didn't go over these little window clings, and so it looked a lot better. So I just tie my twine on the back side, and yes, I didn't paint the back side, and nobody's gonna see it, but I just tie it and then I wrap it around a couple times, and then I just tie it again, and I did this to the top and to the bottom.
Please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay here with me. I'm trying to make it up.
And then I used a Mod Podge, and I just put some on the back of these window clings, and then I covered them in the front. It dries on clear, and that's definitely what I wanted with a window cling, because if I used anything else, it would probably just show through the back side. So yeah, that's all I did, was just Mod Podge these window clings to the board.
For my mistakes, but everywhere I turn, some hearts will break. Something, someone will end up getting hurt again. There's no need to play pretend. Why don't you stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay here with me.
Then for this one, I just did the Happy Easter and then a couple eggs, and I did the same exact thing to this one, although the Mod Podge did kind of show up on this even after it dried, just because it was on the wood. So I definitely just recommend to use white if you're going to do this, but regardless, I think this turned out so stinking cute. Alright you guys, that is it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out any videos of mine, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!